What is up, y'all? Welcome back. It's your boy T-Boy coming back at y'all with another Buddha Stones unboxing. I was actually waiting for this to come in the mail for not quite some time, a little bit of a while, because I like their jewelry and I'm going to continue doing unboxings with them. If y'all like these unboxings, leave me a know. Leave me a shout out. Drop a like, drop a comment down in the comment box, and we're gonna crack this right open for y'all. Now, I did order 2 bracelets. I'm not expecting them to both be in here, but they might get lucky because sometimes when I do my orders with them, if I put them like repeatedly back to back together, they would just box all my orders into one instead of shipping them order by order by order. So hopefully they did put both of them in here. It doesn't really feel like it. Y'all don't really know, I ordered 2 different bracelets. One a wood bracelet and I forgot what the other one is called. It's like white. It's a type of white rock or marble or whatever it is that is coming in the mail. If it's not already in here, like I said, it will be coming in the mail on my Monday. But as y'all see here, Year of the Snake. I guess we got the Year of the Snake because if y'all know, Chinese New Year. Last year was like Year of the Dragon or like Year of the Lion or the Year of the Dragon, one of those two. This year we got Year of the Snake, so gonna come right in here and unbox this. Of course it is in the little satchel that they usually send these out, and hopefully it's the size that I did actually order it in, and yes, it does seem like it. Ooh, that does seem pretty. Oh, wait. Seriously? Alright. So I could just tell by the way this is feeling on the outside, this is not the wood one. This is definitely the definitely the marble one. Sorry, I was thinking about something because I just realized something. So the other one must be okay. Yeah, so the other one must be coming out on Monday. Not unboxing on Monday, but I'm just gonna unbox this for y'all real quick because this is one of them. I thought this was going to be the wood one, but this is definitely not the wood one. Just by telling it how it feels on the outside, definitely not the wood one. So this is a glass one. Well, not glass, but marble. So y'all can see here, that is clean. Very, very clean. So y'all can see there, the etching in the side, and then, oh man, this is actually it. Exactly what I was hoping in size and detail was going to be in. So yeah, this nice. Y'all see it in the inside the beads there. They're all etched. And then you got this down here. And I'll slap that on real quick. It's just going to slide right up on there. As I usually know, I'm usually wearing a different bracelet on this wrist, but I'm going to be changing it up because, like I said, my other bracelet that's coming in here is supposed to be not a set, but I want them to be a set because this is essentially white and then the other one is essentially black. So I wanted it to be one hand with white and then one hand with black. So can't wait for y'all to see the next one that's coming in the mail. But yeah, essentially that's the unboxing for this bracelet. I hope y'all do love it. If y'all do love these unboxings, leave a like. Drop a comment. Don't be shy, y'all. Y'all can drop a comment. Trust me. Drop a comment. And leave a subscribe, y'all. Like I said, from Buddha Stones, Year of the Snake, 2025. Thank you, Buddha Stones. Shout out affiliate. And we are out of here. Deuces.